Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we bring you in-depth reviews of the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we're diving into the world of kitchen essentials, focusing on the ultimate tool for any culinary enthusiast: the Astercook 21-piece knife set. If you're a meat lover and an avid home chef, you know the importance of having the right tools in your kitchen, especially when it comes to slicing and dicing your favorite cuts. That's why we're excited to introduce you to what we believe is the best knife set for meat available in the market today. This comprehensive 21-piece set has everything you need to tackle any meat preparation task with ease. From the versatile 8-inch chef's knife to the precision 6-inch pro boning knife, each blade is crafted from high-carbon German stainless steel, ensuring exceptional durability and long-lasting sharpness. But what sets the Astercook knife set apart from the rest is its built-in sharpener. No more fumbling around for a separate sharpening tool or struggling with dull blades. With just a few simple swipes, you can keep your knives razor sharp and ready for action, ensuring effortless precision every time you slice. And here's the best part. These knives are not only incredibly effective, but they're also incredibly easy to clean. Thanks to their dishwasher-safe design and non-stick, anti-rust coating, you can spend less time scrubbing and more time enjoying your delicious creations. But don't just take our word for it. Customers rave about the Astercook knife set, praising its sharpness, durability, and overall value for money. Whether you're a seasoned chef or just starting out in the kitchen, investing in a quality knife set is essential. And with the Astercook 21-piece knife set, you can take your meat preparation skills to the next level. That wraps up our review of the Astercook 21-piece knife set. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more unbiased product reviews. Until next time, happy cooking!